Growing up, I refused to learn how to cook. Being first-generation immigrants, my parents were very old school and believed women belonged in the kitchen. I grew up so resentful towards them because I got stuck washing dishes while my siblings got to leave. So every time they tried to pull me into the kitchen to watch them cook, I tried my best not to pay attention. And eventually, they gave up. I actually started cooking in college, but it was out of necessity. I went from home-cooked meals every day to eating fast food every day, and I started packing on the pounds. So I studied nutrition, watched the Food Network, and started making healthy, easy meals to drop the weight. But it wasn't until I had my twin daughters that I started cooking Vietnamese food because I wanted them to know more of their culture. One of the very first Vietnamese dishes I learned how to make was chicken pho. Not only is it easy to make, but it's also delicious and nutritious. It's so good that I insisted that it should be on the cover of my cookbook. And although Healthy My Way is not a Vietnamese cookbook, it was still important to me to have chicken pho on the cover. It's that dish that holds a very special place in my heart because it brought me closer to my parents, helped me share a part of my culture to my family, and it was the gateway dish that made me love cooking Vietnamese food. If you love this recipe and want more, please order my cookbook, Healthy My Way, Real Food, Real Flavor, Real Good. It has a range of healthy, delicious recipes with the emphasis on vegetables, lean proteins, and moderate carbs that you will love.